Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called Andobil. Andobil, if you don't know, they make some of the most amazing and innovative phone accessories out on the market, and this is no exception. This is the Andobil dashboard car mount. This is different than a lot of the mounts that you will see for phones, most of which are meant to kind of hold your phone and attach to a vent, or you got to attach it to your windshield. This one just sits on your dash, and it sits on your dash, but it will hold your phone both vertically or horizontally, and does it with a really creative and innovative design. So let's talk about all the features, and of course you're going to see it in action in my car as I'm driving around with the phone in this holder on my dash, both in horizontal and vertical mode. So you're going to see just how well it works. Now, the way this can stay on your dash and not slide around is here on the bottom. You have this really awesome, I'm going to pull this film away so you can kind of see it. But I'll cut to some close-up footage so you can see it. But it's this nice sticky pad. Now, this is a sticky gel pad, so this isn't going to leave any residue on your dash. It's not going to stick to your dash where it's unmovable. You can take it off your dash really easy. But if you don't want to take it off, when you want it in place, it will stay because of this nice sticky gel that just holds it in place so that it doesn't slide around. Once you put this on your dash, you can be confident that it will stay in place and hold your phone without any problems. If you want to move it later, though, it's easy to just peel it off. Again, no residue. If you rinse the gel off, it helps revive the stickiness if it gets dirty or dusty, and then you can keep using it, which is great. Once it's on your dash, the way that your phone goes into this mount, it's such a clever little design here. These little rubber arms are very flexible, and your phone just kind of goes in behind them, and then it locks your phone in place. On the back here, you've got this nice rubber back that also assists with holding your phone. And you've got plenty of room in this gap so that you're able to use any phone. I have a really large phone. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I have a case on it. And even in that situation, the phone locks in there without any problem at all, as you can see. It'll work with any size phone, and it will work not only in horizontal mode, which might be the most obvious use, but it will also work in vertical mode. You can put your phone in here vertically. It will hold your phone in place, which is excellent. Now, in addition to all that, they have this really cool groove here on the back, and that allows you to put a charging cord. So if you have this on your dash and you often need to power your phone when you're driving, then you can take your charging cord and lock it into this little tray in the back, not tray, but this little gap in the back, and it'll lock in there so that your charging cord will just be there for you and be ready for you to grab it and plug into your phone while you're driving. So it gives you a great phone holder to put on your dash. A lot of times maybe you don't want to block your air vent with one of the vent mounts, or you don't want anything on your windshield because it can obstruct your view, or a lot of times the windshield ones, sometimes they'll grip at first, but then after weeks and weeks and weeks in the sun, they start to come off. With this, you put it on your dash, so it's nice and out of the way. It's not obstructing anything, and it's not getting in the way of anything, and you can just lock your phone into it when you're in your car. So great to use for navigation, or just, to have your phone easily accessible and have it in a way that it's in your vision. You don't have to take your eyes off the road to glance over your phone or to use your phone to start music or something like that. So really, really excellent dash mount. Again, by Andobil. If you're looking for a different way to mount your phone than the traditional ways, then this might be the perfect mount for you. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.